How to change your Fortnite country flag. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're looking for a way to change your region's flag in Fortnite, first of all launch open the game on your device and wait for the main lobby screen to load. From the lobby page, go to the upper side of your screen and look for this button and tap on it. After you open up this career button, you'll see your username and then your country's flag at the top. Click on the Change Flag button from the bottom right and select your flag you want to change to. After making a selection, you can tap on Change Flag. If you've recently changed your flag, then you'll need to wait for 30 days so that you can change it again. So from there, you can easily change your flag for your country. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.